At my local Dollar Tree, I purchased an index card file box. The lid was perfect for my phone, so I taped it inside. Now I can play video games in class and easily hide it without getting caught. If you wear a tie to work or school, simply just tuck your phone inside while upside down. Hold it with a binder clip and you can use your phone all day without getting caught. Since most schools require their students to wear their ID badges at all time, why not use that to your advantage? And if you have a large badge holder, you can have your phone handy when needed without being seen. It'll be easy to use. So I cut out an opening on the side of this pencil box, big enough for my phone. So now it can easily slide in when I use it just in case my teacher is nearby. I'll never get caught. If you want to use your phone in class, get a large calculator. Slide off the cover and place your phone in. Put the calculator over it and now you won't be caught. Simply slide the phone in. So this supplies case is see-through. That is perfect to tape my phone face down. I'll just cover it with some crayons and now I can watch videos and movies all day while in class. Follow me for more hacks.